What? What'd you do with your step stool?
Snap, I forgot that.
Well, here, I'll help you out on this one. Oh, wait. That backfired.
Stop. Are these bubbles?
Probably bubbles.
Yeah, these are bubbles. And you can use it as a piggy bank. Cool.
Oh my goodness, what's that thing sticking out?
Yeah, I got out of my balloon! What? And here's another kite. Oh wait, this is the kite I found. Oh, I can't get it.
Don't pull my pecan tree down.
Shh. Nana, get that thing. Get it. Get it up there. Up there.
Wow.
Okay, I don't have it.
Hey, you're not done. Come on, crazy. What's that? Scout found it.
Here, baby girl.
You should thank your hunting dog for that one.
Nana, can you carry this stuff inside?
She had to go dump out her basket real quick. And Scout just found another thing, brought it down. I didn't think the Easter Bunny anticipated the dog that brings everything. Hey, Scout just found another toy for you and brought it over here.
Thanks, Scout.
Come back here. Just come here.
Put it in your basket, honey.
Ooh, chocolate.
Hey, look.
For you.
More bunny tracks. I wonder where it...
Hey, look up.
Look up.
You just passed something green.
Yay! Yay!
Summer.
Don't wear things so full.
Hey, is it an Easter egg? Well, go ahead and grab it. What, is it stuck?
Yeah.
Why is it stuck?
Because it's a lollipop inside.
Hey. I don't think you're done finding toys and everything. I see some. Smart kid. She finds one in a...
Ooh, and my Easter egg I decorated. And it's wet.
Well, yeah. Here. Put it in your basket. Again, guys, I apologize for my yard. I've been working so much that I haven't been able to focus on my yard. Hey. What's that?
It's mushroom. Got it.
Keep going. You almost had it. You almost had it.
Why didn't Mason get anything?
He probably already got it. Come on, keep going. You almost have it. Jump.
I can't.
Look, it's down lower.
Seriously, Scout, you eat another jelly bean?
Well, hunting dog has a predisposition for jelly beans.
And now you're sticking up these little logs.
Scout, if I need to do an Easter egg hunt for you, dude, I will, but can I put dog treats in it instead of jelly beans? Oh my. I still see toys.
Where?
I don't know.
Hold on.
According to Jigsaw Bunny, you had to find them.
Hey, Mom, hold on. I need to get another Easter basket for all of my other stuff. Hey,
What is that?
I got
A lost kitten. I spy with my little eye a blue, pink, and purple something. What is that?
a lamb.
A lamb?
A llama.
That's a llama. Well, she's nothing if not creative on how to get things down. Hey! I think I see one more toy. Oh, wait. I think I know where I put something last night and didn't think to remember it.
Make sure we're slime! Nana, 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 slime! Make sure we're slime!
My God, it's called
Nana,
avalanche.
look, I see unicorn! Wow!
I so did not see her figuring out it was me at the last minute, but oh well, she's had a great Easter so far. Besides the dog stealing all her eggs.